This is radish, carrot, and blueberry. So beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome to my next video. I'm in Vancouver downtown and we have another Arctic outflow. Vancouver received 25 centimeters of snow overnight. It's really a lot of snow everywhere, and I am going to welcome winter on this winter solstice day in my usual trick, which is going to the freezing water. I'm now still dressed because otherwise I'll get absolutely cold. So in a moment I will just strip down to my swimming suit and I will go, you will see right over there, I will go for a little dip. The difference today and the challenge for me today is that it's actually minus outside, and I've been to the cold water many times but never when it's outside minus, and my mind is trying its best to talk me out of this idea, trying to come with all kinds of excuses not to get sick for Christmas, and just telling me how very cold this water is going to be. Ready for the dip. Let's go. Oh la la. Oh Lord. Why? So, hello winter! December 21st, winter solstice, and I am a bit shaking in this freezing ocean. It starts snowing a little bit. Ah la la. Ooh. Woo. Winter wonderland. All right, I'll step out now and come back without my camera. Whoa, it's been good 3 minutes. Woohoo! Yeah! Ooh. Oh la la! Let's go for it! This is what Starbucks is the best for. Thank you, Starbucks. after the swim, I'm at Blends trying to warm up now with my favorite drink, matcha latte, and a piece of cake. And all I would like to say is that today's swim was a real challenge for me because the weather outside was minus and I've never tried that before. So it really pushed my boundaries. I was shivering uncontrollably afterwards, and it was a great difficulty to put the clothes back. But anyways, I pushed my boundaries, I faced the challenge, I did it, and tomorrow will actually show how my body is going to handle this extreme temperature shock, because with a couple of minus degrees outside, it was really cold, and again very challenging for me. So let's see if I will get sick tomorrow or not. Hopefully not. Cheers! Merry Christmas and welcome to winter, December 21st, winter solstice.